Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing 20 secrets to optimizing your tech setup for maximum performance. Whether you're a professional working from home or a student trying to study more efficiently, these tips will help you get the most out of your technology. Secret 1. Keep your operating system up to date. One of the most important things you can do to improve your computer's performance is to keep your operating system up to date. Software updates often include important security patches and performance improvements. Make sure your computer is set to automatically install updates, or check for updates manually regularly. Secret 2. Clear your cache. Another simple but effective tip is to clear your cache regularly. A cache is a temporary storage area where your computer stores frequently accessed data. Over time, this cache can become cluttered, slowing down your computer. Clearing your cache regularly will help to improve performance. Secret 3. Use an SSD. An SSD, or solid-state drive, is a newer type of storage technology that is much faster than traditional hard drives. If you're still using a hard drive, consider upgrading to an SSD. You'll see a noticeable improvement in performance, particularly when loading programs or files. Secret 4. Use a cooling pad. If your laptop tends to get hot, consider using a cooling pad. A cooling pad is a device that sits underneath your laptop and helps to dissipate heat. This can help to prevent your laptop from overheating and slowing down. Secret 5. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Lastly, take a look at all the programs and apps installed on your computer. Uninstall anything that you don't use regularly. This will free up space on your hard drive and also help to improve performance. Secret 6. Optimize your browser. One of the most important tools for most people is their web browser. However, running too many tabs or extensions can slow down your browser. To optimize your browser, close any tabs or windows that you're not using, and uninstall any unnecessary extensions. This will help improve your browser's performance and make it run more smoothly. Secret 7. Monitor your computer's resources. Another way to optimize your tech setup is to monitor your computer's resources. You can use tools like the Task Manager on Windows or the Activity Monitor on Mac to see how much of your computer's resources are being used by different programs and processes. This will help you identify any programs that are using too many resources and close them to improve performance. Secret 8. Use a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, can help to improve your online security and privacy. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers or other malicious actors to intercept your data. This can also help to improve your internet connection speed, as your data is sent through a private network instead of being sent over the public internet. Secret 9. Keep your peripherals up to date. In addition to optimizing your computer, you should also make sure that your peripherals are up to date. This includes things like your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Make sure that your peripherals are working correctly and that they're compatible with your computer. Secret 10. Back up your data. Finally, it's important to back up your data regularly. This will help you to avoid losing important files in the event of a computer crash or other disaster. You can use an external hard drive or a cloud-based backup service to back up your data. Secret 11. Optimize your power settings. Many computers come with power-saving settings that can help to conserve energy and extend the battery life of laptops. However, these settings can also reduce performance. To optimize your power settings, go to your computer's control panel or settings and adjust the power plan to High Performance or Performance Mode. This will ensure that your computer is running at its maximum performance level. Secret 12. Customize your startup programs. When you turn on your computer, it loads several programs and processes at startup. Some of these programs may not be necessary and can slow down your computer's boot time. To optimize your startup programs, go to the Task Manager or System Configuration and disable any programs or processes that you don't need to run at startup. Secret 13. Disable visual effects. Many computers come with visual effects enabled, such as animations and transparency. While these effects can make your computer look more visually appealing, they can also slow down performance. To disable visual effects, go to your computer's control panel or settings and turn off any unnecessary visual effects. Secret 14. Use a surge protector. A surge protector is a device that protects your computer and other electronic devices from power surges and voltage spikes. These surges can damage your computer's hardware and reduce its performance. To protect your computer, use a surge protector to ensure that your computer receives a steady supply of power. Secret 15. Regularly check for malware. Malware, or malicious software, can slow down your computer and cause other problems. To keep your computer running smoothly, regularly scan your computer for malware using an antivirus or anti-malware program. Secret 16. Optimize your internet connection. A slow or unreliable internet connection can greatly impact your productivity, especially if you work remotely or depend on the internet for research, streaming, or online communication. You can optimize your internet connection by troubleshooting common issues such as weak signals, outdated modems or routers, and incorrect network configurations. Additionally, you can try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better connection stability, or a power line adapter to extend your network. Secret 17. Utilize keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts can greatly improve your productivity and efficiency when working on your computer. These shortcuts can save you time by allowing you to perform tasks faster and with fewer mouse clicks. Many programs come with built-in shortcuts, and you can also create your custom shortcuts. Secret 18. Organize your files and folders. A cluttered and disorganized computer can cause frustration and slow down your work. To optimize your tech setup, organize your files and folders by creating a logical and clear structure. Use folders to group related documents and files, use descriptive names for files, and make use of tagging systems to help you quickly find what you need. Secret 19. Use a second monitor. Using a second monitor can improve your productivity and make multitasking more efficient. With a second monitor, you can have multiple windows open at once and easily switch between them. This can save you time and make it easier to work on multiple tasks at once. Secret 20. Take regular breaks. Finally, taking regular breaks is important when working on your computer. Sitting in front of a screen for long periods can cause eye strain and fatigue. Taking regular breaks will help you to stay focused and refreshed, and also help to avoid long-term health problems. Conclusion. By following these 20 secrets, you can optimize your tech setup for maximum performance. Keep your operating system up to date, clear your cache, use an SSD, use a cooling pad, and uninstall unnecessary programs. With these tips, you'll be able to work more efficiently and get more done in less time, protect your computer from power surges and malware, and ensure that it runs smoothly and efficiently. You can improve your internet connection, speed up your work with keyboard shortcuts, organize your files, increase productivity with a second monitor, and take regular breaks to refresh your mind and body.